Alrighty, good morning guys. Right now we are at our campground in Kootenai National Park. So right now we're just about to pack up our tent. This is officially day 2. If you guys want to check out how day 1 went, the uneventful day is on their channel. So if you guys want to check it out, Chris Ronak's link is down below. So last night we essentially went swimming at Radium. We put our towels and everything on our car, and then we're just packing up the tent and we're about to head to the Invermere skate park, and then after that I think we're going to the cliff jumps. So let's get you started.
Legit though.
Alright, what are we doing? Kendama tricks? Are you getting B-roll?
B-roll. Oh, you missed the earth throw.
Let's go.
I love how Deven films B-roll. It's like...
Alright, so I'm about to throw my contacts on, then we're gonna get the car ready and everything and head to the Invermere skate park. I'm tired.
Yeah, okay.
Alright, so everything is now in the car. Hey guys, so we just pulled up to the Invermere skate park. Huge deja vu from last time. Love this park. Chris is about to get the drone going up. I'm gonna set up the camera at the basic flyout, and then we're gonna get some clips kind of all over the park and see how the day goes. So.
Hey, go follow me at Jesse_Macintosh.
What? How'd you run?
But you're going so far, keep running away from me. Running away from me, yeah. You said you know who you are, you keep it so sweet.
Are you recording? Alright.
Okay, welcome to your 2020s, babe. Welcome to your 2020s, babe. Welcome to your 2020s, babe. Welcome to your 20s, babe. Welcome to your 20s, babe.
Yo, what are you doing? Fisheye? What the heck? Do you actually? Bro, I just want to touch it. Kidding.
Oh, hi Connor. How's it going?
Yo, nice fisheye, bro.
Nice fisheye, bro. Fisheye bombs? No, I'm kidding. Yo, you got a big fingerprint smudge in your lens. Kurt. Oh! Oh my gosh!
Oh, you got it!
Oh, give me some. I got the scoot. It's looking fresh. Paul's got his Gucci shoes.
Oh, they're so nice.
Snap.
They're Vans. They're the Vans.
Bro, they're
corn
Vans
snakes.
Gucci shoes.
They're like Vans corn snakes.
Damn, that's so nice. Get it!
Let's go.
So shaky.
Oh!
Let's go.
Oh!
Bruh. Yo!
Go!
Bring it!
Let's go!
That's 5 stickers.
Woo!
Go.
Let's go!
Yeah! Better.
Take up your start. Can I get some clips out of this roller?
Alright, homies. So I think what we're gonna do is I'm gonna turn off the camera now, and I'm gonna save some battery for the cliff jumps later. So get her going.
One there and there. Got a rock collection. I bring my rock collection.
Paul just ate it on in Connor's video. If you want to go check it out, link in description.
I got the clip of him eating.
Yeah, he films him just like dying. Let's see your hand, Paul.
You can see the rocks in there.
Oh, hold up. It's gotta focus.
Get on it.
Alright, so now we're heading off to the cliff jumps. It's really hot outside. I'm dying. We got Scotty over here landing that finger up. And yeah, we're gonna head over to the cliff jumps, have a great time. Let's get some nice cinematics and stuff.
Burn this bitch into the ground, oh well. For all we got tonight, let's do this right. Let's do this right. Let's go to this shit be like Friday nights. This shit made me feel alive. I feel like we in paradise. Paradise. Don't know if it's a drink I pour, but I swear I've never loved you more. Make you right here, I come alive. One more hit and we can fly. This shit feel like I'm feeling it. My head's where the ceiling is. This energy turns nice into memory. Count up the bands he been working all summer. Ex didn't know what he had, what a bummer. Insecure people turn to insecure lovers. But my drink is almost out and I'm about to pour another. Just
That was a smack. Woo! Yeah, Deven. That was a smack and a half. Holy crap.
Alright guys, so we are now at the cliff jumps. It is honestly beautiful.
Legit? We've been here for an hour.
I can't focus it because it's on my face right now. But it's so sunny. It's beautiful. Guys, we're gonna have an awesome sesh here. We've already kind of started. There's a zip line this time, which is a huge boost, all right? Let's get her started!
All right, someone want to film me a 25-footer?
Yeah. All right, so I'm switching out to the GoPro. I don't have a water case right now, so I can't be bringing it into the water, which really sucks. But next time for sure.
Water's coming out. Wow, all right, I'm on the 55mm lens now, so this is gonna be way better for filming the cliff jumps. So.
Yeah. Yeah, you
That is so satisfying when it goes completely quiet.
so careful.
Oh my God, Chris.
Holy shit. That's very high.
Good morning, guys. It is like, what right now? What time is it? Look, it's 8:41 a.m. This is our last day camping. Alrighty, so we got me and Chris out here right now.
Hello.
We're just having some breakfast. It's cold, and today's our last day, so sorry I had to switch to the GoPro. My camera died. Really hope you guys enjoyed the video so far. This week's been a fun weekend, though. We ended up leaving on on Saturday morning without knowing where we were gonna sleep. Hope for the best, and we ended up finding one campsite for $10 for 2 nights.
Fire. So fire.
They're sleeping.
Even the narrow view of the fish eye. Dude, it's making so fire.
Ready? Put your face right in the camera.
What's up? What's up?
Bro. Let's pack this car up. Alright, so Susie's all packed up. Connor's ready in the car.
Yo!
And we got our beautiful helmets up here.
That's so cute.
Yeah.
No, I'm really just